If you want to import videos from YouTube into CapCut, the safest and most reliable way is to first download a copy of a video that you own or have the legal rights to use, and then bring that file into CapCut Desktop. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step, so you can move your footage from YouTube into CapCut without confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this one. Let's get into it. The first step is downloading the video file from YouTube. Because of copyright rules and platform limits, you should only download videos that you legally possess the rights to save and edit. If the video is your own content, YouTube gives you a straightforward way to get the file onto your computer. Start by opening your YouTube Studio dashboard and signing in with the account that owns the video. Once you're inside, look at the left-hand menu and click Content. This will show you all of the videos on your channel. Now find the video you want to use in CapCut. Hover your mouse over the video row and you'll see a few option icons appear. Click the three dots, which is the Options menu, and then choose Download. YouTube will prepare the file for you, and it should save as an MP4 directly to your computer's Downloads folder. That part is important, because CapCut works best when the file is already stored locally on your device. If the video is not yours, make sure you have permission or the rights to use it before downloading or editing it. Once the file is finished downloading, the next step is importing it into CapCut Desktop. Open the CapCut Desktop app on your Windows PC or Mac. If you're starting a new edit, click New Project so you have a fresh timeline to work with. After that, look in the top left area of the screen and click the Media tab. Inside the Media section, you'll see a large Import button. This is the option you want to use to bring in your YouTube video. If you like keyboard shortcuts, you can also use Ctrl I on Windows or Command I on Mac to open the import window faster. That's a great time saver if you're editing regularly. When the file browser opens, navigate to your Downloads folder, find the MP4 you just saved from YouTube, and select it. Then click Open. CapCut will load the file into your media library, where it will be ready for editing. From here, all you need to do is drag and drop the imported video from your media panel down into the editing timeline. Once it's in the timeline, you can trim it, split it, add text, apply effects, insert music, or make any other edits you want. This is the point where your YouTube footage becomes a CapCut project, so you can start building your final edit exactly the way you want it. If the file doesn't appear right away, double-check that it fully finished downloading and that you selected the correct folder. Also make sure the file is an MP4, since that is the most common and compatible format for smooth importing. If you ever run into problems, closing and reopening CapCut or re-importing the file usually fixes it quickly. So, just to recap, the process is simple. First, download the video from YouTube Studio if you own the rights to it. Then open CapCut Desktop. Create a new project, use the Import button or shortcut, select the MP4 from your Downloads folder, and drag it into the timeline. That's the easiest way to move your YouTube video into CapCut and start editing right away. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.